project I'm going to be talking about is the Veteran Affairs Medical Campus, Jamaica Plain, Boston, Mass. Buildings 1A and 7, research buildings. The dollar amount on this project was $2,587,745. Our role was the subcontractor performing all HVAC trade work. The project type was a multi-phase research-based construction project designed to upgrade 2 Veteran Affairs buildings, including the research facility that advances the cure and understanding of the current veterans' health and well-being needs. Our challenges to Building 1A and 7 were scheduled to undergo a complete renovation of the HVAC system. Veterans Development Corporation performed a complete cleaning of the entire duct system, demolition of the obsolete exhaust systems, obsolete steam humidification systems, and non-operational VAV systems, and installed new VAV systems with modern BMS controls and new clean steam generators for humidification in both buildings. Building 7 also required the demolition of obsolete rooftop air conditioning equipment and the complete duct system and installation of a 4,000 CFM air handler and condenser on the roof. Building 1A, the research building, required additional renovations, as the research building contributes advancements in the care of veterans ranging from blast exposure and traumatic brain injury to aging and state-of-the-art treatment. Limiting downtime to this facility was critical to the care of our veterans. Building 1A additionally required demolition and removal of an existing 30,000 CFM air handler and selective demolition of existing ductwork, removal of several precast concrete panels on the 3rd floor to allow the installation of a new 32,000 CFM air handler and 2 new chilled water pumps in the basement, an energy recovery unit to meet the ever-tightening building standards, and a complete building exhaust system including 2 new strobotic fans and state-of-the-art Phoenix controls. The rigging involved with the fully assembled air handler for Building 1A included hoisting and guiding the unit onto the 3rd floor rooftop during normal hospital operating hours without any disruption of services to visiting veterans. While renovations were being completed, the building had to remain in full operation. This required using 2 temporary air handling units and a temporary ductwork to run on the exterior of the building from the ground floor to the roof. The results on this project were as follows. This project led to a complete replacement of the entire HVAC system, including controls, equipment, ductwork, piping, and instrumentation within the buildings 1A, as well as a new high-tech laboratory research testing hoods which met or exceeded federal research guidelines in Building 1A. The entire heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems were demolished, removed, and completely replaced with state-of-the-art research-grade, environmentally controlled systems. In addition to these upgrades that benefit visiting veterans, Veterans Development Corporation's work provided job opportunities for veterans, including our safety officer, a Purple Heart recipient from the Vietnam Theater of Action, and our testing, adjusting, and balancing partner, which is also a veteran-owned small business, serving as the major subcontractor to Veterans Affairs general contractor Legion Construction, another service-disabled-owned veteran small business, providing job opportunities for veterans during our project work and improving facilities used by veterans as part of the course of our work clearly defines our commitment to working with veterans on all fronts. As the safety officer on this job, I have to commend everyone who worked safe and brought this project to completion without one lost time or reportable accident. Thank you, gentlemen, for being safe.